What's up, everyone? Coach Ken here. Got a couple things for you in this video. I'm going to show you a 3-punch combination. It's one of my personal favorites, highly effective. Well, I only show you effective boxing. We're going to put that together with another set of punches to make for a good boxing sequence. The combination is going to be uppercut, hook, cross. Uppercut, hook, cross. Boxing terms, that's 4-3-2. The key to the uppercut is what I've named dip and rip. You want to dip to the side you're throwing from and let the shot rip. This is the same technique you would use with hooks. Too many times I see people not getting their bodies behind their punches and essentially doing an arm punch, just punching with their arms. This technique will help you get the most leverage on your punch. The sequence now is you're going to throw 1-2-3 followed with the 4-3-2. There it is. Hope you enjoyed the moves. If you did, give the video a like. Subscribe to keep up with my latest and greatest. Comment below. I come through personally and respond to all of those. So until the next one, and remember, don't just be another person hitting a bag.